This is not just a car. This is a piece of German precision, built for those who don't chase noise, but chase quality. This is the Volkswagen Jetta, a compact sedan that combines luxury, performance, and affordability in a very smart package. Today, let's take a deep dive into whether the Jetta is still a smart buy in 2025. The Volkswagen Jetta has a clean, mature design. It doesn't scream for attention, but it holds your gaze. With sharp LED headlights, a sleek front grille, and an aerodynamic shape, this car looks both modern and timeless. It's the kind of design you won't get tired of. Step inside and the Jetta greets you with German simplicity and elegance. Soft touch materials, a clean layout, and a driver-focused dashboard. It comes with a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and dual-zone climate control. But the real charm? It's spacious and quiet. You can comfortably seat 5 adults, with plenty of legroom and headroom. Under the hood, the 2025 Jetta packs a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that produces about 158 horsepower. It's not a sports car, but it's smooth, efficient, and responsive. You'll get around 34 to 40 mpg depending on how you drive, making it a great choice for both city commutes and highway cruising. It's quiet, composed, and mature, just like its target audience. Volkswagen didn't cut corners on safety. You get 6 airbags, ABS, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning, all standard on higher trims. The Jetta earns high ratings in crash tests and provides peace of mind behind the wheel. The 2025 Jetta starts around $21,500 in the US. Higher trims like the SEL or Sport can go up to $28,000, offering more luxury, better audio systems, leather seats, and sunroof. Compared to other compact sedans, it delivers solid value for the price.
So solid build qualities, yeah, really.
Great fuel economy. Comfortable and spacious. Elegant, timeless design. Not a performance-oriented car, so it's making it a component to the Xamp, Lever the Case, and in the city. Conservative interior styling. Some rivals offer flashier tech at the same price. If you want a car that speaks less and does more, the Jetta should be on your list. It's a smart choice for people who care about quality over hype, comfort over chaos, and long-term value over short-term thrills. Sure, it's not the sportiest sedan out there, but in a world full of noise, the Jetta is a whisper of German excellence. What do you think? Would you pick the Jetta over a Honda Civic or a Toyota Corolla? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Silent Horsepower for more honest, detailed car reviews. See you in the next video with a new engine, a new story, and the same horsepower silence.